Today, we are going to create a basic calculator website using a AI. The entire code will be generated by the AI itself. We are going to go to the ChatGPT website and write a prompt. Now, ChatGPT will give a response that this is AI model and it can't do it for you, but the reality is it will give us a boilerplate code. So it has given us the HTML code. It will take little bit time to generate the code. So we are going to copy this HTML code and let's paste it in the index.html. So we have pasted it. Now it is generating the CSS code. So it has given us the CSS code. We are going to copy it and we are going to paste it in style.css. We are going to save it. Now it is generating the JavaScript code. So what we are going to go, we are going to copy this JavaScript code and we are going to paste it in the script.js. Save and let's go to the server. Kaboom! It has created a basic calculator website. So if we do like so, we can play around with, or if you want to make it beautiful, we can ask the chat GPT or we can use our brain as well.